When severe weather strikes, you may lose power. Now, imagine if that power outage lasted for days. You don't need to be caught unprepared if you take the time to assemble a home survival kit long before the threat of catastrophic weather. For starters, it's helpful to have at least a week's worth of essentials to get you by. Here are some items to consider for your survival kit. 4 liters of water per person per day, plus extra water for your pets, non-perishable and canned foods, and a non-electric can opener. At least 1 week's supply of medications for family members and pets. Hand sanitizer and other personal hygiene items. Battery-powered light sources like flashlights and lanterns. Don't forget to include extra batteries. A battery-powered or hand-crank radio. Extra clothing and blankets. Baby supplies and pet food. A first aid kit. Pen and notebook with emergency numbers and contacts. Chargers for your electronics, including a car charger. A whistle to signal for help. Whether you're evacuating to safety or weathering a storm at home, having the basic necessities can help make a challenging situation safer for you and your family. Talk to your insurance broker today for more suggestions on how to protect your home and family.